Hello guys, this is your teacher Jose Antonio Lopez and this is the class for this week. Remember that on our channel at YouTube, we have all the classes for this semester already been uploaded and you can consult them, and actually you have to download them and work with them because you also have to deliver all the activities contained on those classes. This topic is truly interesting, and I know that some of you, or maybe all of you, already have been in touch with this topic. The topic for this week is daily routine. So, what do we do in a regular basis, on daily basis, every single day that we can consider as a daily routine? Well, is whatever we do every single day, mostly at the same time, is considered daily routine. And if you're thinking that, okay, this is the same boring topic, well, guess what? It's not. Because this time I'm going to ask you three things. Number one, you have to identify which language item you already know. Number two, for those you don't know, you have to research and get to know the meaning of the expressions related to daily routine. And three, and most important of them, is you are going to produce your own daily routine. Okay? So this video is going to be very helpful for you to accomplish these three tasks. Can you tell me what's going on here? Please, I want you to check all these images very closely and analyze them and try to grasp the meaning of their definitions. This is the way, this is the form, this is the grammar structure that we use when we are communicating daily routine. Okay, so I want you to check this out and try to understand what's going on in every single image, okay? For our next step in the class, we have this set of images, and we have these blank spaces in which you are going to write down in English what does that image represent, okay? For that, I'm advising you to do the next. Number one, you're going to check the images, every single one of them, and you're going to, in your mind, describe or identify what's going on that image, okay? The images you already know, you're going to write the expression of the words that describe the image. For example, let's say that, which one? Okay, this one, make the bed. If you already know, well, then you're going to write make the bed, okay? In every single blank space, you're going to write the appropriate expression, okay? Make the bed. Sorry. Here is it. Okay. If you identify some of these actions that are happening on the images, you're going to write down what's going on with the image, okay? So you're going to check it out, you're going to scan it, look at them, and try to describe it. If you already do this, if you have already done that, then you're going to step number two, and that is for those images that you don't understand or you don't know the meaning, you're going to check them again and you're going to analyze them and try to grasp the idea of what's going on there. Please do this without using your cell phone or any online dictionary. Not until you really cannot grasp the idea. When you feel that you have analyze, observe the images, and you cannot get the meaning, well, that's the step number three. You go to a dictionary, you can have an application on your phone, or you can check it online. remember that I've already taught you how to consult a dictionary. Not all dictionaries are, all of them are good, but there are some ones that are pretty good than others, okay? Much better than others. Okay, this is our second part of the lesson, right? Now, once you got this, all the images described, we're going to see the next step or the next part in our lesson. How can you express your own daily routine? You need three elements for a description of your daily routine. You need a preposition of time. You need the part of the day in which that activity is being performed, and you need an action verb in simple present. These are the three elements that you need in order to describe your own daily routine. So let's check the first. Prepositions of time, and these are related to a part of the day. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And here are some examples. I like to study in the morning. If we are referring to something that happened at 9, noon, or midnight, we use the preposition at. If we are describing something that happened any day or at some part of the day, we use the preposition on. Example, I will see you on Monday morning, okay? We need these three prepositions of time to start describing our daily routine. The second element is the part of the day in which we are performing that activity. And here is the key for you to understand in which part of the day are you eventually doing something. For example, from 12 at noon to 8 p.m., we're talking about afternoon. From 6 p.m. to midnight, we're talking about evening. From midnight to 6 a.m., we're talking about morning. Some others authors says late morning is the same. And from 6 a.m. to midnight to midnoon is midday or noon is morning also, okay? At 6 a.m. we call it sunrise or dawn. At 6 p.m. we call it sunset or dusk. Okay, now we have the preposition, the part of the day, and another thing, the last element you need is the action itself. For example, I'm gonna do this daily routine here. I teach English. My classes are in the afternoon, so I'm going to check. Okay, is in the morning. Oh, so I need to use in. Here is it, in the afternoon. Okay, and so then I write, I teach English in the afternoon every day. And if I want to be a little more specific, I can add from Monday to Saturday. See? I can order these words, I can order the sentence in the way I like the most. I can say I teach English in the afternoon every day. I can say from Monday to Saturday I teach English. Okay? Since I'm referring to myself, I'm using the simple present tense. But if you are, remember, if you are describing what someone else is doing, you are talking of the third person singular, so that you need to pluralize the verb. Those are already features that we have studied from the beginning of the semester, okay? Once you finish these 10 descriptions of your daily routine, you're going to move on to this practice. This actually is the practice that you're going to upload at the platform, and that is going to be graded. This is a reading. You're going to read this text as the title here says. You're going to read about Sophie's daily routine. Read this part and you're going to answer all these questions. You're going to order the daily routine and you're going to transform positive sentences into negative and interrogative. All these we studied when we were practicing the simple present tense. And these questions, we practiced it when we study WH questions. Okay, so everything that we have in this video, it has already been presented to you. So I think there's not going to be any obstacle for you to deliver your homework. First of all, to study, and then to do your task, and then to deliver your homework in the appropriate time, in due time, okay? Please try to be safe. Try not to go out from your houses. Try to stay at home. And if any doubt should come up, please contact me. You have my telephone number. We have a WhatsApp group, and we have the email. You can write me, drop me a line, you can send me a message, you can make a call, and I'm gladly going to help you to solve whatever doubt you have regarding this topic. Remember, this is your teacher, Jose Antonio Lopez, and this is the English Academy of Tec NM Campus Las Tropas. Be safe, be at home, and see you next week.